Hi everyone, welcome back to CG Health and Meditation. We have some more new health remedies. Let's start. Sinus is an inflammation or swelling of tissue lining of the sinuses. Healthy sinuses are filled with air, but when they become blocked and filled with fluids, germs can grow and cause infections. Conditions that can cause sinus blockage include common cold and allergic environment. We have few home remedies for you. First of all, apple cider vinegar. Take 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar and half cup of water in a pan. Mix these two together and boil it. Then put a thick towel over your head, covering entire of your head till neck, and bow down to the pan and inhale its steam. It's very beneficial and it will open all your sinusitis areas. Secondly, garlic. Boil 2-3 garlic cloves in a cup of water and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir them well and let it boil for a few minutes. Then stir it and then drink it once a day. Turmeric is very healthy as well as garlic. Both will cure your sinus problem. Thirdly, ginger juice and honey. It's very common remedy. Take 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice with 1 teaspoon of honey twice a day. Very simple and very quick remedy for you. Moreover, what you can do is make yourself a nice and healthy chicken soup. Chicken soup reduces inflammation associated with sinus congestions, cold and irritation. It gives you very extremely good health at the moment when you are having sinusitis and release all your allergies and sneezes and everything. Steam is considered to be the most odorous and beneficial method. Steam helps relieve congestion by loosening mucus from your entire face area. Use a bowl of hot water and a large towel. Place the towel over your head so it falls along the side of the ball and the steam does not go out of the ball and it goes into your sinus area when you inhale the steam. Cover entire face completely, trap your steam inside the bowl so that it gets into your skin. Do not make it too much hot water. It does not have to burn your sinus areas with steam. Just bearable enough so that you can inhale it. For elder people, you can add a little bit of Vicks to the boiling water and then inhale the steam. It will give an instant relief and also relieve your headache. There are some very quick remedies for you. Gargle with salt water, make ginger lemon tea, increase vitamin C intake, drink a lot of fluids, especially water, and run a humidifier or vaporizer at your home to keep the air fresh and clean. Fluids and humidification helps to thin mucus and drain your sinuses. They also keep your skin hydrated. These will keep your environment clean and fresh and no problem for sinuses. Skin problems are very common nowadays. Pigmentation is the most common. Skin pigmentation is a disorder caused changes to the color of your skin. Melanin is made by cells in the skin and is the pigment responsible for your skin color. Hyperpigmentation is a condition that causes your skin to darken. To get rid of the pigmentation, grind 5 to 6 almonds and mix them with 1 teaspoon of fresh cream and a few drops of lemon juice. Mix them all well and apply this paste to your face and neck area. Leave it for 20 minutes, then wash it off and apply a good moisturizer on your face. It will cure all the dehydration and discoloration of your skin and no pigmentation. Secondly, apply papaya juice or mashed potato to the face. Leave it for 15 minutes and wash it off. This is very quick. Thirdly, grind 1 teaspoon of sesame seed and half teaspoon of turmeric and add a small quantity of water to make a paste out of it. Then apply this to your face and leave it for 15 minutes. Then wash it off. Apply a good moisturizer to keep your face healthy and hydrated. Definitely your pigmentation will go away. Piles, known as hemorrhoids, are a collection of tissues and veins that become inflamed and swollen. The size of piles can vary, and they are found inside and outside the anus. Piles occur due to chronic constipation, chronic diarrhea, lifting heavy weights, pregnancy, or straining when passing a stool. Our first remedy for piles is take 1 tablespoon of black cumin seed, roast them, and mix them with 1 tablespoon of non-roasted black cumin seed. Now powder them both together and keep them safe in your jar or a small container. Then take half a teaspoon with a glass of water once a day. Secondly, take radish juice in the morning and night. Take 1/4 cup at first and then increase to half a cup and then gradually increase to 1 cup over a period of 1 month. Radish is a very healthy vegetable. It will give you clean and fresh blood, and it will give you very healthy glowing skin as well. Thirdly, wash 3-4 figs. Soak in a glass of water overnight and eat them first thing in the morning before having a breakfast. Again, repeat this at the night. Lastly, boil 1 ripe banana in 1 cup of milk. Mash it well. Take 3-4 times in a day. They say that piles does not have any cure, but these home remedies might help you. And it is suggested that never to go for operation for piles. So home remedies and taking care of your health, what you eat, is the most important thing for piles. Premature aging. Ultraviolet radiation, which speeds the natural aging process, is the primary cause of early wrinkles and fatigue. Exposure to UV light breaks down your skin's collective tissues, collagen and elastin fiber, which lie in the deeper layer of your skin. So if you are really worried about your aging, first of all, apply a lot of sunscreen, whether you're inside or outside the home, and especially when you are outside the home. So our first remedy would include massage your face with ghee. Ghee is the natural oil that we take out from milk, or almond oil or coconut oil before going to bed. The oil will balance the moisture, and when you wake up, your skin will look hydrated and fresh. You can massage with any oil, from coconut to almond oil. Massage thoroughly so that your skin absorbs the entire oil. Definitely sooner your skin will start to glow and look hydrated. Secondly, cut slices of cucumber and blend them to make a chunky paste. Put this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes so that it cools down. Now apply the cold cucumber paste on your skin and just relax. Keep the cucumber on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off and enjoy a youthful, beautiful skin. And for the most quick remedy, apply fresh aloe vera gel to the skin every day. Just put it in your palm, keep it in your fridge, and when you want to apply in the morning, and you can do all your work. It will absorb right in Before you go to bath, just take it off and moisturize your skin. Your skin will look very fresh and healthy. The best thing you can do is, moreover, that you can drink lots and lots of water. We hope our natural remedies can help you get better. So that's all for today. We will be back with new health remedies. Subscribe our channel, like and share the video. Comment below if you have any more suggestions. Thank you very much.